We have posted a video on how to make a copy denture using the splint module. We can also do this in the WaxUp module. However, please update your WaxUp module before you continue doing this. Just simply click on update. I had to change a few codes to be able to make this work. So I'm going to make a duplicate model, and then we're going to draw the gum line. Now it's time to inspect your line. Two things: we don't want them to intersect the surface of the model, so we don't want to see something like, let's see if I can intersect the model somewhere, mostly in corners. So if you, something like that, so we don't want to see that. Okay, so simply just grab your line. The other thing I'm looking for is we don't want sharp corners anywhere, so we need to sort of stick to rounded corners. So we don't want to make our cutting tool sharp in any way. Just give it a quick inspection. That should sort of do the trick. And here, this is a little bit sharp. We'll just move them like that. And then we're going to mark the gum line and give it a once over inspection in case you need to move anything out. If you do have to move anything out, get rid of the snap tool and click on the proportional editing so that you can actually grab the line and you can move the line. Okay, so but now it is, just be careful that it doesn't intersect at this stage. Okay, and then what we're going to do is click section tooth, which will make our cutting tool. And again, if it does intersect any, we're going to edit mode and then just simply grab out a bunch of vertices like this. Okay. So once that's done, we're going to set the offset. So the thickness of this cutting tool is 0.05, which is very thin. We need a bit of an offset for printing. We know between 0.1 and 0.2. So let's make it 0.2 for now. That depends on your print as well. And click on cut. And this will then cut the teeth off the denture base. Let's have a look and see what this looks like. We'll move this off like this. So here we go. In this example, using the WaxUp, we are left with a more of a solid structure as far as this is concerned. We do have a little bit of retention. If you look at the denture base, this should clip in accordingly. You can always make more retention if you want to in these using the carve patch up tool. You can just simply place a few spheres and cut that out. Alright, so this is the second method of doing this.